Gamal Shawi and I am software developer. Sometimes you want to create a post for Facebook or Instagram or any social media, but you don't want to work with graphic programs. Now I found the solution. This is GreenShip PostMaker application. I will show you how to create a post for Facebook or Instagram in less than 1 minute with this app. This app is a simple tool for write text on picture, and you can make bar for writing under or above the picture. First, choose from import, choose the photo. Here types, photo types. I will choose all files, then I will choose the photo. After that, choose coordinate, use text place, under, and background is white or as you like. Then choose font from font tab. And choose center, left to right, bold, italic. Okay. Then choose add text. Then type your text in this text box. Box is the best friends. Then click OK. After that, export your post from images, export, choose location and name, then click save. Post was created. For download application, I will leave the link for download application in description box below video. Scroll down, then click download PostMaker, save file, and open it, decompress it, then click set up. Antivirus program, then click finish. Icon, program icon will be appear, and you can make any post any time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.